zeros in a chart can make a chart look very messy. So for example, here we've got a chart with some data, and you'll see we don't actually have zeros. There is no zero here, it's blank. But because we've added data labels, you'll see that all over the place there are zeros. So for example, over here there's a 0 because this item has got nothing in it. So we need to be able to remove those zeros. Now there's no easy way to do it in a normal sense, but what we can do is custom format the number. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to right click on these labels and say format data labels. And what you'll see here is got an option to change the format of the number. So if you wanted to, you could use any one of these. But what we're going to do is we're rather going to go and create a custom format. So you'll see in this case what it's done is it's used the one it had. And if you study a bit about custom formats, you'll see the way custom formats work. The first bit before the semicolon is how it handles positive numbers. The second bit is how it handles negative numbers. And the third bit, which we're now going to add, is I'm going to put a semicolon. I'm going to put two inverted commas next to each other. And what that's saying, the third bit is zeros. So if it's a 0, you want to see nothing. So when I add it, what you'll see is some of the zeros have disappeared. Now we highlighted the one section. Let's go now and highlight these labels, format data labels, go to number, I'm going to go to custom again, put my semicolon, two inverted commas next to each other, edit. When I click on it, you'll now see that what it's doing is the zeros aren't shown. So if, for example, this had a number, so let's put a 5 in here, no problem, the 5 will appear. But if there is no number, then not only is the bar not shown, but we don't see that label.